Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39. I want to show you what I got in a design team package from Kraft Creations. I ordered the Ireland Forever companion pack because this I already had in my stash, the Ireland Forever paper. Now you might say, oh, I don't want to watch this because it's going to be a St. Patrick's Day album, but it's not necessarily. I'm going to probably just do a plain album that I think would be great for if you want to do an album for your dad or your family or whatever, or hunter or sports. Anything that this hunter green color would go with is going to be fabulous. It's going to have the mixed media look just because the Ireland Forever paper already has that look. So let me show you this first, the Ireland Forever, and I took out duplicates just so you can get an idea of the paper. And again, I had this in my stash from last year. So yes, this could be pot of gold, obviously, for St. Patrick's Day, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. I mean, look at this. You could put a photo on here, and I mean, it's just beautiful. And then here we've got the Irish lad and lassie, but if you didn't want them, you could use this with the music sheets on the back. Again, sort of mixed media here, but there's the back. There is the Irish top hat with a pipe and gloves, and I think there's shamrocks in there, but if you don't want to go that way, here we go. What I love about this Kraft Creations paper collection is the depth that each of the papers gives you. So yes, you see the music on top, but then there's another layer of the beautiful vintage writing, and then the gold and the green and splotches, and it even looks like it's very textured here. But it's not as textured as what it appears on here. That's just all printed on the paper. See, I think that is beautiful. The flowers really are brought out by the green and the browns. But then here we've got this, which is beautiful. And I could even see this for some pretty cards, too. So we've got that, and it's got shamrocks and roses. And then here's the back, and that's got sort of a fleur-de-lis muted pattern in there. Cute little girl on an old-fashioned telephone. But if you didn't want her, you've got that. Love the cherub. I love this frame, the detail of that. And here's the back, which is beautiful in itself. The wood panel with some distressing on the edges. So let me show you now the Ireland Forever companion pack. With this, there's 10 sheets, and obviously it's going to go nicely with this paper. I mean, it's the companion pack. And it also has this one sheet. So again, this is printed on the cotton vellum Bristol. I have been known to use cutouts. You've got these little pieces as well. And if nothing else, you could always stamp on the back here or do some mixed media because it takes inks very well. So you get 2 pages of this cut apart sheet. It's got 3 4x6s and 4 3x4s. And then it's got 2 border strips. Those shamrocks are beautiful as a border strip. And the writing or the music notes are pretty too. And the back of that is this beautiful plaid. Again, it's got some distressing on it. It's got the gold. It's not metallic, it's not real gold, but I could see adding some gold to this just to again add more dimension to it. And then here is one of the plaids. And the back of the plaid has this. It's green. It looks like it's gray in the picture, but it's green, and it's sort of a crackle look. So that makes a nice background to anything that's going to go in my little mini album. Here is a white crackle on the back of this green check. Here's another, I say check, it's a plaid, on a different plaid with, different colors and variations in it. And there's the back, a very beautiful gold crackle. And the final one is another plaid, just green and white, with some layers of gold on it and green. And the back has a green, a lighter green crackle, not as dark as this forest green one. I wish the color showed on my camera because it's pretty green. It doesn't look as pretty in the camera. So that is the companion pack to Ireland Forever. I also picked up a couple of the forest green My Color cardstock. This is actually 2 sheets of score tape. I am going to be using the lay flat method, which Tamara from Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations came up with to cover my mini album. And so you need to use the score tape sheets. It helps keep the cover on so they don't ever bubble up. And I also picked up 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 of the heavyweight chipboard. I didn't need the 12 by 12, and she has 8.5 by 11, so that will be perfect. Beautiful. I mean, I love the heavyweight chipboard. It's gorgeous. And then this was not on the website yet. I know she's getting it in, so I will list it as soon as I have a listing for it in the shop. But this is sort of a parchment looking paper that's going to be new in the shop. So I am not sure. I mean, look at how nice that looks with this. It matches beautifully. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this, or this is a new Kraft cardstock that she is bringing into the shop. She also has some of the artisan cardstock. It's not linen, but it is the Kraft color, but it's a little lighter. This is closer to a paper bag. It's heavyweight. The artisan cardstock is 87-pound weight. I mean, this feels like it's at least 90. Again, I'll put more details in the description box as soon as I get them. It's brand new to the shop, and by the time I get the book done, I'm sure it's going to be listed in the website, and I'll let you know how it works out for me. I also picked up some green jute burlap string cord ribbon. So this is beautiful. It matches so nicely with that. And I needed some large magnetic closures. She's now carrying 49 in Market. I got the 4 pair of magnets, 8 large magnets. And I've heard that these are nice and strong, and that's what I was looking for. A couple more things. So that is what is on my design team package. But I picked up a couple of other things, and here's a reason why you want to go on to the Country Craft Creations, Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group. She had a sort of contest when Tim Holtz came out with his newest ink color, and the contest was guess the new ink color, and I guessed gray, and it's a beautiful gray. It's a gorgeous gray. It's called Lost Shadow. Oh, you can't tell from that, but you can tell from this. It's gray with a little bit of a bluish tone, but it's a great accent to go with yellows, pinks, reds, or like if you're going to do Halloween, this will be a great base to add color to. I know I'm going to have fun with that. I was going to guess that it was going to be like a lighter shade of black, which to me is a gray, but it was a prettier gray than I thought it would be. So anyhow, I picked that up from Country Craft Creations because of a contest. And a couple other things I got. Well, first of all, let me show you. I'll do a walkthrough of this mini album, but I made this mini album, but then Simple Stories came out with their pet shop pieces, or pet shop paper collection. Here it is. And so I saw Simple Stories on their blog had someone make this using the Simple Stories. This is not using Simple Stories paper, but I wanted to recreate it exactly like what was on the blog. So I had to get this, and my daughter's puppy is going to be a year old soon, and I wanted to get ahead of the game and make her a little book similar to this. I'm going to make it either woof or bark. I'm not sure which. But look at this gorgeous paper. Look at these puppies. This page is called Puppy Love. Look at that. This is called Perfect Pooch. I mean, look, even the chicken. Isn't that cute? And that's the back side of that. Belly rubs, that's called. Adorable. I love that. See, maybe I needed to say woof because this all says woof. I think I'm going to have to. Bad to the bone. There's that. But then here's that. And then here are the elements sheets with so many. Yeah, that says woof too, so I think I know what I have to do. So many cute designs, and I love the colors. They're very bright and fun, you know? Just fun. And that's even pretty. And elements number 2. Very cool. Spot for, oh, isn't that cute? Spot for journaling. Cute puppies. Good stripes there. And that also comes with some stickers. But then there is the bits and pieces with a cat theme. And bits and pieces with a dog theme. I'm going to open this up, the dog one. I'm not going to open up the cat one just because I'm all about the dogs today. Well, I guess I should because I can't show favoritism. So just cute, cute, cute. Aw, there's the chicken. Oh, isn't he adorable? Love is a 4-letter word. Here's another puppy. Aw, here's 2 puppies. Little pieces, little bits and pieces. Happiness starts with a wet nose and ends with a tail. Best friends are the ones with paws. I think this says woof. Stay positive. Cute. Live like someone left the gate open. Oh, isn't that adorable? Isn't that adorable? I mean, those of you who have dogs who might run can really appreciate that. Look at these puppies. Treats, possum. Oh, so cute. Just little strips that you can journal on. The dog is in charge. I know I'm dropping some, but there's so much here. There is actually 53 pieces. Dog hair, don't care. Beware of dog kisses. That is a cute journaling card, isn't it? Dog leaves paw prints on your heart. Doggy tails. And another great journaling spot. So I'm going to move this all over so those who have cats can see what you get with the kitty cat bits and pieces. So here's another little tab, little ones, a little tag. Cats leave paw prints on your heart. Love is a 4-legged word. Check me out. Kitty cat with a mouse and some string. Nice kitty. Oh, that's so cute. Meow or never. I love my cat. Kitty cat. A crazy kitty cat. The cat's in charge. We just live here. You had me at meow. Home is where the cat is. Talk to the tail. Looking good. Feline fine. All funny. Another paw. Paw. Cat sitting on his cat tree with his friends. Oh, the cat carrier. Cats are my favorite people. Don't stress me out. And here is a meowt. Oh, there's that. You gotta be kidding me. Catitude is everything. Talk to the paw. Here's the meow. There's another one of those little strips. There's another kitty cat. Life is better with cats. All right, here we go. Journaling. Here's the scoop. Ah ha ha. Another journaling goldfish bowl. Cute. Aw, that's a tag with a fishbone on it. Oh, isn't that cute? I need to save that for my mother-in-law's birthday because she has cats. Aw, the cat sleeping next to the mouse. Welcome, hope you like cats. The little cat toy, you know, with the feathery thing. Another journaling card. The cat's meow. Another journaling spot. Whoops. And just a couple of hearts, because you need to have hearts with kitty cats, and another little tag. So, oh, and there's a couple more in there. What is this? Oh, this is the dog. Wait, don't get the dog and cat mixed up. I guess that's a poodle. Ha, that is a poodle. So those are the goodies I got in my February design team package from Kraft Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and also look in the description box where you can get a link to all of these products. Also stay tuned, I will be showing you what's in the mystery box. If you're not familiar, it's something that Kraft Creations comes out with once a year, a couple times a year, depends on when they are cleaning up their warehouse. The best way to know when that's coming up is to be a subscriber to the Facebook group Scrapbookers of Kraft Creations. So stay tuned because I will be working on this mini album first, and that should be coming up very shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.